I'm Jess Davies, I'm a YouTuber, and today I'm down in Europe's largest touring youth festival, Eisteddfod Urdd. And this year it's in Cardiff for the first time in 10 years. So I'm about to check it out and see what's on the mic. But first and foremost, I found Sally Mally, the Welsh legend. I'm about to grab a selfie with her. So what is an Eisteddfod? Well, it is a Welsh festival where they compete in dance, poetry, singing. I actually got through to the Eisteddfod Aberystwyth when I was little at poetry, and that's about as far as I got. So this is all new to me. So I want to try and find out, what do people get up to down the Eisteddfod?
The best thing to do is wander around and have a look at all of the interesting stalls, especially the art and craft, which is well worth a visit. And when you're feeling thirsty, pop into Merched Wawr for a nice cup of tea or coffee.
And a Welsh cake, of course.
Of course.
There's stalls everywhere, there's fair rides, Mr. Urdd is about, Sally Mally is about. There's lots of music going on, there's lots of people around, and I'm going to find myself a nice space to have a pint, I reckon. Can't go wrong with a pint. So the stands are closing, I've had a pint, I've seen Sally Mally, I've had a selfie with Mr. Urdd, I've seen Merched Wawr. I kind of think I've completed the Eisteddfod. So I'm off to find my friends. I'm probably going to have another pint. And make sure you come down here because it's open until Saturday in Cardiff Bay.